In today's video, I'm going to show you how to master the Paste in Place command in Inkscape. This is an essential technique for graphic designers and illustrators who need to maintain absolute precision across different layers, pages, or even separate project files. If you have ever been frustrated by objects jumping around your canvas when you try to copy and paste them, this is the exact solution you have been looking for. This guide is updated for 2026 to ensure you are using the most efficient workflow possible. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more professional software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into the first method, which is the fastest way to work. Method 1 involves using keyboard shortcuts. First, open your Inkscape document and select the object you want to copy using the Selection tool, which you can quickly access by pressing S on your keyboard. Once your object is highlighted, press Ctrl+C to copy it to your clipboard. Now, instead of pressing the standard paste command, press Ctrl+Alt+V to paste in place. You will notice that the new object appears directly on top of the original. To the naked eye, it might look like nothing happened, but you can verify the action by checking the status bar at the bottom of the interface. It will show multiple objects selected, or you can simply click and drag the top object to see the original sitting underneath. Now, if you prefer using the graphical interface rather than shortcuts, let's look at method 2 using the Edit menu. Copy your object again using Ctrl+C. Then navigate your mouse to the top menu bar and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Paste in Place. This performs the exact same function and is great for those still memorizing their hotkeys. The third method is where the real power of this feature comes in, which is pasting to a different page or layer. This is vital for complex organizational tasks. Start by copying your object from layer A. Next, open your Layers and Objects panel by pressing Ctrl+Shift+L and select layer B or any other destination layer you have created. Once the new layer is active, press Ctrl+Alt+V. The object will appear on the new layer but will hold the exact same X and Y coordinates it occupied on the previous layer. This even works across multiple documents. If you have an object at specific coordinates in one Inkscape window and use this command in a second window, it will land in that identical spot. Just a few important tips to keep in mind. Remember that a standard Ctrl+V paste will always place the object wherever your mouse cursor is currently hovering. Paste in Place completely ignores your mouse position to ensure mathematical accuracy. Also, always check that your document properties, found via Ctrl+Shift+D, are set to the same units in both files to avoid any scaling or alignment discrepancies. Using these techniques will drastically speed up your design process and keep your projects perfectly aligned. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Inkscape tips. Thanks for watching.